Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your tablet's OS and choosing a reputable VPN. This ensures compatibility and strong encryption. Create an account and enable two-factor authentication so your access is protected. Next, install the official app from the Play Store or App Store rather than third-party sites. Once done, open the app and sign in with the credentials you created. Make sure to allow necessary permissions. VPN profiles must be added to the system to route traffic securely. After signing in, configure connection options to balance speed and privacy. Choose a server based on your goal, nearby for better latency or a specific country to access region-locked content. Then pick a protocol. WireGuard gives faster throughput, while OpenVPN adds broad compatibility. Turn on the kill switch and auto-connect so your traffic never leaks if the VPN drops. Once configured, tap Connect. You'll see a persistent icon, or status, that confirms the secure tunnel is active. To finish, verify the VPN is working by checking your IP address or opening a geo-restricted app. If speeds feel slow, try a closer server or change protocols. Sometimes switching from WireGuard to OpenVPN reduces instability. Make sure battery saver or data restrictions aren't blocking background VPN activity. If the VPN won't connect, clear the app data, reinstall the app, and reboot the tablet. One key tip: contact the VPN support with diagnostics if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.